Live from New York City, you're watching the CW11 Morning News.
All right, it's Tech Tuesday, and we've got the goods from electronics to appliances. Each month, Popular Science magazine picks the best of what's new, and Sean Captain is on top of it. Sean, thanks for being with us. He's got some gear from the latest issue.
Hi, happy to be here.
All right, let's get it started with this body monitor. Now, I was on this thing earlier, and besides lying, what exactly does it do?
Well, it's a regular digital scale, but it's wireless, so it actually beams your weight information to a computer, and then you can track your progress with various software.
And it adds 30 pounds.
If you can't see over your stomach, it'll beam it to your computer so you can see it on the laptop.
Great. So. All right, next is a mouse for people of all sizes. Tell me about this. This is pretty interesting.
It's this is the human scale switch mouse. Basically, your hands are all different sizes, so you can adjust it for whatever works, from about 5.5 to about 8 inches.
Is this compatible with any computer?
Yeah, it's a regular mouse, so it works with everything.
Okay.
Just like a regular mouse.
All right, now tell me about this picture frame, and I was going to say what makes it so special, but not all picture frames do that.
Right. Well, you can probably hear the noise in the background. It's a regular digital picture frame, about 600 by 800 pixels. So it's good for that, but on top of that, if you see a picture you like, you hit the print button, and a print comes out.
And it prints it out.
There you go.
Very cool. Is this pretty expensive?
It's $280, which is actually not bad. You'll pay almost that much for a frame this big anyway, and without the printer.
Okay, all right. Next up, you've got something for your Wi-Fi connection. This helps, huh?
This is the Wi-Spy from a company called MetaGeek, and it definitely is for, in a big city like this, for example, you have cordless phones, you've got tons of Wi-Fi hotspots, you've got interference coming from everywhere. This will take a look at your whole area, will tell you what might be messing with your network, causing interference, and then you can change your wireless channel, or you can maybe negotiate with your neighbor to move a hotspot or somehow get things settled so that you can have better
Who actually is going to
reception.
need this, though? I mean,
well, it is from a company called MetaGeek. So if you really want to know what's going on and you really want to get your Wi-Fi working as well as possible, this will give you all the information you need for that.
Okay, very cool. And finally, what's so great about this sander here? What do you got?
This is the Bosch 5-inch random orbit sander. Like a lot of good sanders, it absorbs the sawdust through these holes here. But the problem is with most of them, when you take off the actual container that has the sawdust in it, you spill it all over the place. This here just sort of twists off, and it sort of keeps the sawdust sort of down in this hole here, so you don't end up spilling it all over where you just try to keep it away from.
And you don't have to breathe in a lot of that.
Right, which is actually a pretty big health concern.
All right, now how much are we talking for this?
$60.
All right, and I want to get back to the Wi-Fi. How much was that about?
That's $400.
Oh, okay.
So if you're really our meta geek, as the company says, then it might be a must-have.
Okay, sorry I passed that one up. Sean, thanks for being with us. We appreciate it. For more on Popular Mechanics picks, meet us on the web at CW. Oh, Popular. Did I say Popular? Oh my gosh.
It's okay. Happens.
Popular Science. Yes, Popular Science. You can meet us on the web at CW11.com/morning news for more info. The news at 7 starts right now. Popular Science. John.